Today we are going to study about conditionals. Now what are conditionals? Conditionals are the sentences which are used to show that an action can be completed when a certain condition is fulfilled. Conditional sentences are also known as conditional clauses or if clauses. A conditional sentence consists of two clauses, if clause and a main clause. If clause is the subordinate clause, and it shows that the condition if the condition given in if clause is completed, then the action given in the main clause can take place. There are three types of conditionals: type 1, 2 and 3. Conditional type 1. This type of a sentence is used to express situations in which the outcome is likely to happen in the future, but it is not guaranteed. It has two clauses, if clause and main clause. Simple present tense is used in if clause and simple future tense is used in main clause. For example, if you take rest, if clause and present tense is being used over here, you will feel better, and future tense is being used in main clause. Now the condition is if you take rest, and in future you will feel better, but it's not guaranteed. It's not sure that if that is going to happen or not. So conditional type 1 is used to express a situation in which the outcome is likely to happen in the future, but still it is not guaranteed. Conditional type 2. This type of a sentence is used to express the situations in which the outcomes are completely unrealistic or will not likely happen in future. In if clause, simple past tense is used, and in main clause, modal auxiliary would is used. For example, if I inherited $1 billion, I would travel to the moon. Now, I would travel to the moon is a bit unrealistic. So, this type of a sentence is used to express the outcomes that are unrealistic or that are not going to happen in future. Like another example is like, if I were you, I would not do that. Now, if I were you, this is not possible, and it is unrealistic to be someone who already is. So this type of a sentence is used to express the outcomes that are completely unrealistic or that are not likely to happen in future. Conditional type 3. This type of a sentence is used to show that if something different had happened in the past, then the present circumstances or the situation would have been different. In if clause, past perfect tense is used, and in main clause, would have is used. For example, if I had studied, I would have got good grades. If something different had happened in the past, then the outcome in the present would have been different. So this type of a sentence is used to show that if something different had happened in the past, then the present circumstances would have been different.